Researchers say that the miracle drink is a gift from God for spotless skin. It is very helpful in keeping away the pimples and helps the aging of the skin. So a glass of miracle drink gives you fresh, radiant, younger looking skin that you always dream of. A, B, C or the apple, beetroot and carrot juice. Your next generation endurance drink, one taste combination is apple, beetroot and carrot juice, which is popularly known as ABC juice. The drink is simple to make and all you need is a juicer along with apple, carrot and beetroot. According to research, if talking about apples, the apple contains nutrients like vitamin A, BA, B2, B6, C and E, that K, folate, niacin, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, calcium, sodium and magnesium. Also, the dietary fibers found in apples are very beneficial for health. High vitamin C in apple is beneficial for immune and nervous system, while apples are also contain antioxidants such as vitamins E to help protect body cells from free radicals. Let's talk about beetroot. The heart-friendly beetroots are enriched with nutrients like vitamin A, C and B complex, potassium, iron, magnesium and copper. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants like lycopene and anthocyanins. They contain anti-aging agents as well. With the combined effect of three, you can get enough nutrients that will not just keep you going through the day, but would also have long-term beneficial effects on your skin and health. If we talk about carrot, that contains a wide variety of vitamins such as vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, C, E and K, folate, niacin and pantothenic acid. There are minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and selenium packed in it. One of the most important components found in carrot is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A by our body to aid in the function of eyes and immune system. This drink with the mixture of A, B, C is a hope for cancer patients. In fact, few years back, a Chinese herbalist recommended this drink to his patients suffering from lung cancer. By taking this drink daily for 3 months, the patient recovered from life-threatening disease. It's not only effect for lung cancer, but cures almost all of cancers by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. As mentioned earlier, the miracle drinks contains heart-friendly beetroots. Also, there are some components present in carrots that promote heart health such as alpha and beta carotenes and lutein. Together, the two vegetables along with goodness of apple help keep the levels of bad cholesterol down, keep blood pressure in control and protects the heart from many diseases. Miracle drink also saves you from heart attack. This drink is good for the digestive system, and not only does it help maintain the health of stomach, but also protects it from ulcer. It also regulates the bowel movement and gives relief in chronic constipation. It is one of the best drinks you can supplement your brain with. It sharpens your memory and enhances the brain functions. The drink has a soothing effect on the eye too. Working for long hours on computer can cause the dryness of the eye. The drink can eliminate dryness, redness and tightness of the eye. It also sharpens the vision. It is good for boosting the immune system while protecting the body from various infections and allergies. People who are prone to suffer from hay fever should take miracle drink. It can cure throat infection too. It is very effective in maintaining the health of other organs of the body such as kidney, liver and pancreas and protects them from various diseases. It can also strengthen the organs like heart and lungs. This drink is helpful for detoxification of the liver and purification of the blood. It increases the production of red blood cells. Women having severe menstrual pain should try to drink as it will relieve in the cramps and pains. People facing pain due to strenuous exercise should also take this drink. This drink is also suitable for those who are planning to lose weight, as it can give maximum energy with maximum number of calories. For the best result, take miracle drink with an empty stomach early in the morning. 1 hour after consuming this drink, you can take your regular breakfast. You can even take it twice a day. One in the morning and the other glass of it before 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Hopefully these tips will be really helpful for you. That's all for now. Thanks for being with EA Health.